Even today here is discussion about Indian Railway should be privatized or not. So as my point of view, I just want to say that it should not be privatized properly, because if it is privatized properly, so you know something about like Indian Railway staff. There is a there is working some staff as a government employee. So the main the drawback of that people. So it should not be privatized. If it is privatized properly, so you have to face many issues, like fare should be higher. Indian Railway fare should be higher, and some people's can be afford, and some people can't afford, right? So it should not be privatization. So, and we can add many points, like if Indian Railway should be privatized properly, so you have to face like luggage bags, you have to pay for that extra money. So it should not be privatization. So if I talk about it should be less privatization and less government, because you can get some facility, like you can see in Indian Railway there is you have to provide they have to provide some facilities like cleanness of the Indian Railway, like when you went in rail local trains, so you will find that there is a washroom is so filthy. Washroom so filthy, and you have to complain in Indian Railway, so you can find that situation resolution. So in my point of view, there is a Indian Railway there is a many higher prices. You can say, you can purchase anything in a higher price, like whenever you want to purchase water bottle, so there is water bottle rate is very higher other than normal shops. So if you want to say that railway should be privatization, I am not agree with this properly. So my point of view, it should be government. And sometimes I just want to appeal that railway minister, they have to aware, and they have to just find that public situations, like railway there is most of people spread the garbage here and there in the train. So that is they have to make strict rule for that kind of people, and they have to aware like cleanness, for the cleanness. That's it. Thank you.
I support privatization of Indian Railways because privatization in India has led to improved service quality, increased foreigner investment, better management of state-owned enterprises, and enhanced job opportunities. It can also contribute to faster economic growth and development. And Shraddha was saying that she was not going with privatization because it can be affordable if railways, it cannot be affordable if railways should be privatized. So I am saying that because of in railways, like toilet tracks, platforms, bathrooms, and other public areas on train and railway stations are often dirty and non-functional. Huge capital to invest for railways. So railways are not very well. So I go with railways should be privatized. That's it.
Thank you.